streaming used to feel like the future of entertainment in the United States. Netflix, Disney Plus, and other platforms promised cheaper prices, unlimited content, and the freedom to watch anything, anytime. But in 2026, something has clearly changed. More Americans than ever are canceling their subscriptions, and it's not because they stopped loving movies or TV shows. It's because the streaming model itself is starting to break. The biggest reason people are quitting is cost. What started as a $8 or $10 monthly service has quietly turned into a much more expensive habit. Netflix's higher-tier plans now cost as much as a traditional cable bill used to, especially if you want 4K quality or multiple screens. Disney Plus, once marketed as a family-friendly budget option, has also raised prices multiple times. When households stack Netflix, Disney Plus, Hulu, Max, and Prime Video together, the total easily crosses $70 to $90 a month. For many Americans dealing with inflation, rent increases, and higher grocery prices, streaming subscriptions are one of the easiest expenses to cut. Another major frustration is password sharing crackdowns. For years, people shared accounts with family members across households, and streaming companies quietly benefited from that growth. In 2025 and 2026, stricter enforcement changed the tone completely. Users are now asked to pay extra fees for sharing, verify locations, or upgrade plans. Many viewers see this as being punished for behavior that was once openly allowed. Instead of upgrading, a large number simply cancel and walk away. Content quality is also becoming a serious issue. While streaming libraries are bigger than ever, many viewers feel that truly great shows are becoming rarer. Platforms cancel series after 1 or 2 seasons, even when they're popular, leaving audiences frustrated and hesitant to invest time in new shows. At the same time, too much content feels rushed, repetitive, or forgettable. People are realizing they scroll more than they actually watch, which makes the monthly cost feel even harder to justify. Ads are another breaking point. Many Americans accepted streaming to escape commercials, but now ads are back, even on paid plans. Some services require viewers to pay extra just to avoid interruptions, while cheaper tiers are packed with ads that feel longer and more frequent than traditional TV. For users, it feels like paying more and getting less, which damages trust in the entire system. There's also a growing shift toward alternatives. Free ad-supported streaming platforms are gaining popularity, offering movies and TV shows without monthly fees. YouTube has become a primary entertainment source, especially for younger viewers, with long-form content, podcasts, and live streams replacing traditional TV watching. Piracy, while rarely discussed openly, is also quietly rising as people look for ways to avoid subscription overload. Finally, Americans are changing how they value entertainment. Instead of staying subscribed all year, many now subscribe for 1 month, watch what they want, then cancel. Others rotate services or rely on free trials and bundled deals. This behavior shows that loyalty to streaming platforms is fading fast. In 2026, Americans aren't canceling Netflix and Disney Plus because they hate entertainment. They're canceling because streaming no longer feels simple, affordable, or consumer-friendly. Unless platforms rethink pricing, content strategy, and user trust, the cancellation trend isn't slowing down anytime soon.